This is not just another year. This is not just another calendar flip. This is not another promise you forget by February. This year is different because you are different now. The year doesn't change you. Decisions do. Every year starts the same for most people. Big talks, big plan, big motivation, and then the same habits return. The same excuses, the same delays, the same life. This year will not change your life unless you change your decisions. Leave the old version behind. You cannot enter this year carrying last year's excuses. The old laziness stays behind. The old fear stays behind. The old weak mindset stays behind. If you keep dragging the old version of you into the new year, you'll get the same results with a new date. This year demands a clean break. Stop waiting for the perfect start. There is no perfect Monday, no perfect January, no perfect moment. If you wait to feel ready, you will waste another year. Start imperfect, start tired, start scared. Excitement fades fast, discipline lasts. When motivation disappears in February, discipline must carry you. Wake up when it's uncomfortable, work when it's boring, train when it hurts. This year belongs to the discipline. Some habits are heavy, some people drain you, some distractions steal time. This year protect your energy. Say no more, scroll less, talk less, work more. No one is coming to push you. No one is responsible for your progress. Not your friends, not your family, not the world. If you want more this year, you must demand more from yourself. Accountability starts with you. This year requires consistency, not intensity for a week, not effort for a month. Small actions repeated daily. That's how real change happens. There will be days when it feels pointless, when results don't show, when progress feels slow, when doubts get loud. That's normal. But what's not normal is quitting. By the end of this year, your mindset should change, your habits should change, your discipline should change. Same you means same life. Upgrade yourself. This year is personal, not about proving others wrong, not about competition. This year is about self-respect, doing what you said you would do, becoming someone you trust. You don't need to tell anyone. Build quietly, improve silently, grow privately. Results don't need explanation. Use time like it matters because it does. Every wasted hour is gone forever. Every delayed action costs you. Treat time like a weapon it is. This year will test you. You will be tired. You will be challenged. You will be uncomfortable. But that's good. That's how strength is built. No more half effort. Either commit fully or stay the same. There is no middle ground. Say this to yourself. This year I don't negotiate with excuses. This year I show up no matter what. This year I finish what I start. Repeat it. Live it. Remember this. Another year wasted hurts more than discipline ever will. This year can be the turning point. Not because the calendar changed, but you did. Start now. Stay consistent. Don't look back. This year changes everything.